because really the law firm should be working for you, not you working for the law firm. I'm Ken Hardison, president of PILMMA, and I really hope to see you at our workshop in March in Durham, North Carolina. I think anybody that's having management issues, and that should be 98% of lawyers out there, should come, and you should bring your office manager. Even if you don't have one, if you think that's what you're going to do, bring somebody in your staff. You always got a key person. And learn how to work together, how to work as a team, how to leverage y'all's strengths, and how to work together as a team to scale your law firm and to make it a great place to work and a place that's not driving you crazy, so that you can actually do what you want to do. Hardison Cochran was a law firm that, before selling in 2010, I started in 1996, and started it with just me and another lawyer and 3 staff, and we grew it to over, in a little over 5 years, grew it to 13 lawyers and 47 staff. So the problems that we had was that we had so much volume, and I had so many things to do, and so many staff that I could not look after everything. Well, I figured out I needed a law firm administrator when I was getting home at 2 o'clock in the morning, and I never had any time for my children. It was just, even though I was working myself to death, I still couldn't get everything done. And I was having a lot of issues with staff, and it was driving me nuts, you know, and I said, I gotta have some help. So I went out and hired a law firm administrator. So Cheryl Leon was my first law firm administrator. I had an office manager before then, but she was my first law firm administrator, and she came with a very good pedigree, and she really took so much of the burden off of the day-to-day running of the staff and the infrastructure that it was like somebody taking a 200-pound sack of cement off of my back. She knew how to systematize things, and she dealt with all the pettiness and stuff that was going on every day, and she would hold people accountable, and she really had a lot of knowledge about what it took to run a law practice and how to manage and get the work out the door, because that's what you need if you're going to have good client service. So the reason that I thought about putting together this mastery management workshop was because in the masterminds I was seeing that was a big issue, and I'd have people ask me, when do I know that I need one? You know, is it too early? Is it too late? And also, I've been trying to get Cheryl to do this for several years, and finally got her to agree to it. And I wanted to share the knowledge that she gave me in those, what I call the young years, and how she helped us grow our law firm from, like, you know, $500,000 to $8 million in like 5 years. So why is it important to have the law firm owner and administrator? Because we want to walk out of there together having a game plan of how, when you go back to your office, how you're going to work together to really take your law firm to the next level. And I want both people there so that they can understand and be there and ask questions, and if they got conflicts, we can work them out while they're there. So while we're attending this workshop, Enable Your Law Firm to Grow Faster, because you're going to walk out of there after 2 days with Cheryl and myself, and you're going to have a game plan, and you're going to have an execution plan to know exactly the steps you need to take your law firm to the next level, and how to leverage your office manager or law firm administrator to use her strengths or his strengths, and also how to leverage your strengths. And when you leverage your strengths together as a team, you're unstoppable. So how will the law firm owner attending this make them more money and make them happier? because they're going to get rid of some things on their plates and put it over with their office manager or law firm administrator so that they can work on the things that they love doing, that they have a passion doing. And when you do what you love doing, it makes you happier, right? The goal with this workshop is to get the stuff off of the law firm owner and onto the manager that you really hate doing and that they ought to be doing, and you need to be doing stuff that you love to do that can make the firm, like working on growth or working on cases, whatever it is you want to, that makes you happy as a lawyer. Because really the law firm should be working for you, not you working for the law firm. The law firm administrator will benefit from attending this workshop because we're going to teach them how to deal with the law firm owner and how to get the most work together and how to deal with lawyers in general, but law firm owners, where they can work together as a team and both people be happier and have a happier law firm and a more productive and a more profitable law firm. I'm Ken Hardison, president of PILMMA, and I really hope to see you at our workshop in March in Durham, North Carolina.